Hey Mochi, I heard something strange. Is it true that the world's water pipes are falling apart?
Yeah, and the scary part is, most people have no idea it's happening.
Wait, like, everywhere?
Pretty much. In Europe and the US, many water pipes are over 100 years old. In Japan, pipes from the 1970s are all hitting their lifespan at the same time. And in parts of Asia, cities expanded so fast that the pipes were never updated.
So the whole world is running on aging pipes?
Exactly, and they're breaking faster than we can replace them. By the way, I'm Mochi, a grad student making simple science videos. I just started this channel, so your comments and feedback really help.
Nice, let's keep going.
Here's the first problem: we're replacing pipes way too slowly.
How slow are we talking?
In Japan, the replacement rate is 0.7% per year. At that speed, pipes that last 40 years would take more than 100 years to replace.
That's not great.
Second problem: leaks.
How bad can leaks be?
In Italy, 42% of water disappears before reaching homes. In the UK, around 30%. In the US, 15 to 20%. Even Japan loses about 10%.
So almost half the water is gone in some countries?
Yep, it's like filling a bucket with holes. Third problem: climate change.
How does that affect pipes?
Droughts dry up water sources. Floods overwhelm treatment plants. And rising sea levels push saltwater into freshwater systems. Fourth problem: rapid urban growth.
So the system gets hit from every direction. Too many people, not enough pipes?
Exactly. Old pipes weren't designed for today's population. So pressure builds up, and they burst.
What about the US? I heard it's pretty bad.
It is. The US still has 9 million lead pipes. And every day, about 6 billion liters of treated water leaks out.
That's unbelievable.
Japan looks safe on the surface, but the crisis is quiet. Over 40% of pipes are older than 40 years. And with population decline, many towns can't afford replacements.
So it's a slow-motion collapse.
Old pipes, not enough investment, climate change, urban pressure. These problems stack together, and the world's water systems are cracking.
And most people don't even know.
I break down hidden science like this in a simple way. If you want more, your comments and a quick subscribe really support me.
Yeah, go subscribe. He's just getting started.